Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain how to fix an Android phone stuck in dark mode. Here's a question from an Android user on the forum. I'm an Android user, running the latest Android version. Since yesterday, my phone has been stuck in dark mode. Switching to auto, light, and even back to dark mode hasn't helped. Restarting the device and changing the wallpaper haven't helped either. Any suggestions? Are you experiencing the same issue as this user, and your Android phone is stuck in dark mode? Don't worry, if you're also stuck with dark mode on your Android phone, please patiently try all the methods in this video. This video is suitable for phones from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. When your Android device's theme is stuck in dark mode, your screen brightness dims, which can be very difficult in brightly lit areas. You might have trouble seeing what's on your phone or struggle to see the screen. Have you ever wondered why dark mode won't turn off on your Android phone? There are several possible reasons. 1. Accidentally tapping the dark mode button. 2. Low battery causing the Android phone to automatically enter low power mode. 3. Third-party software affecting the Android phone. 4. Hardware failure. To restore your Android phone to normal mode, you can follow my guide to fix Android stuck in dark mode. We'll explain several solutions for getting rid of dark mode on your Android phone. Please be patient and watch this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1 is to turn off dark mode. If your Android phone is stuck in dark mode simply because you accidentally tapped the dark mode button, you can simply tap it to turn it off. To do this, follow these steps. The Samsung phone shown in the video has dark mode turned off from the top control bar. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen, then swipe down again to open the full top control bar. Here, check to see if the dark mode button is on. If so, turn it off immediately. If it does, your Android phone will be back to normal. Method 2 is to charge your device. Some Android devices may automatically activate low power mode when the battery is low, dimming the screen. If your Android phone's battery is below 20% or 10%, then your phone may suddenly switch to dark mode and remain stuck due to low battery. To fix this, simply charge your Android device to at least 50% using its original charger and then check again to see if your Android phone switches out of dark mode. If the dark theme will never turn off automatically on your Android phone persists, try the next method. Method 3 is to force restart your device. If dark mode isn't enabled on your Android phone and the battery is fully charged, try force restarting your phone. Force restarting your phone can be very useful if your Android phone has a software bug that affects the screen brightness or display. To force restart your Android phone stuck in dark mode, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on your phone. The force restart combination on the Samsung phone shown in the video is for 10 to 15 seconds. Release your hands when the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, and your phone will automatically restart. After the reboot is complete, check again to see if the stuck dark theme on your Android phone has been fixed. Method 4 is to run your Android phone in safe mode. Recall whether you downloaded any third-party apps that control the screen. If so, the issue with the app's appearance setting being stuck in dark mode may be caused by that app. The best way to troubleshoot this issue is to run your Android phone in safe mode. Safe mode turns on your Android phone without any third-party apps running, meaning it's immune to third-party interference. To enter safe mode, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the shutdown screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the shutdown icon until the safe mode option appears. When safe mode appears, tap safe mode. Your phone will restart in safe mode and return to the home screen. Please be patient. In safe mode, check again to see if your phone returns to normal. If it does, it indicates a problem with a third-party app. You'll need to remove any downloaded apps one by one and verify them. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply restart your Android phone. Method 5 is to reset your phone. If none of the above methods work to fix dark mode stuck on your Android phone, you can only try resetting your phone as a last resort. Resetting your phone can fix most software issues, but it will delete all data on your phone. Therefore, if you need to access your Android phone's data, back it up before performing a factory reset. To perform a factory reset on your Android phone, first go to Settings, then General Management. Find the Reset option on the General Management screen, then find and tap Factory Settings. Your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone again, and observe whether dark mode is removed. Method 6 is to seek technical assistance. If a factory reset fails to fix your Android phone stuck on the dark theme, take your phone to your nearest service center for assistance. The issue with the Android device theme stuck on dark mode may be due to a malfunctioning internal component, requiring further disassembly and inspection. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve your problem. If you think we need improvement, please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Thank you. Good luck.